ability, you have strength, obviously, you have explosiveness, you have your endurance, your conditioning. So there's a lot of different factors that come into play when it comes to reaching peak levels of performance. So we moved from this more fundamental approach to the more advanced approach, which will allow him the ability to endure a longer, more productive career.
Before you call it, one more BFR session. We need you 100%. Oh yeah, you know I'm about to beat your ass in Mortal Kombat. Let's get it, bro.
These are impressive buttons, bro. I'm finna beat the f out you. That's what I'm finna stop being LB. How about that? No!
Go ahead, leaking.
Come on, bro. 18, dog. Yeah. Alright, well, I ain't no damn
Coming right away.
Got sensitive underarm skin? Listen to your skin signals. Use Dove's Sensitive Deo Syrup with niacinamide and rose
all yellow.
formulated for sensitive skin from the most prescribed deo brand by Derma.
Breaking news.
Wow.
Zaldico, balak yariin na
Palakarilin.
Mga banateros, mukhang hindi simpleng pagkahuli lang kay Zaldico
One
ang
shot
istoryang
one.
ito. Dahil habang nasa kustodya siya, lalong lumalakas ang bulong-bulungan na baka may gustong mauna
Wala, Manay Blue, uy.
patahimikin bago
Only
pa
from
siya
the
tuluyang
tricks.
makapagsalita at magbulgar. At ang
Ay, hindi
pinakamatindi
ko
nito,
balo.
si Zaldico mismo
Orange,
noon na
purple,
nagsabi
green,
na
yellow.
baka siya ay yariin bago pa niya mailabas ang buong katotohanan. Kaya ang tanong ng bayan nga dito, bakit parang may nagmamadali na iuwi siya? Bakit parang mas gustong mapauwi agad ang tao kaysa maprotektahan at makapagsalita ng maayos?
Wala man ang red.
At mga kababayan,
Yung
dito
red,
lalo
orange,
umiinit
purple,
ang
eh.
eksena dahil kung totoo na nagsisimula ng manginig ang ilang malalaking pangalan na sinangkot ni Zaldico, posible kayang may ex-deal na inahahanda kapalit ng kanyang pagtatahimik. Naku.
I wish I told you
O mas malala, baka may mga gustong unahan ang lahat para hindi siya makarating sa puntong makakapagsiwalat. Naku. Kaya mga banateros, meron tayong sasabihing mga kwento at sikreto.